four, which is cells. Atom combine to form the molecules. Molecules, when they combine, they make the organelles, or we can say that organelles, they are made up of molecules, and when organelles, they are grouped in a manner or organized in a manner, they make a cell. All living body is made up of the cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of an organism. What do you mean by this sentence? It means that the whole body of the organism are made of cells, and all the functions which are occurring in the body are the collective function of these cells. When we say that the structural and functional unit means all the function which are occurring in the body of an organism. We can say that it is the collective function of all the cells in the body. So when all the cells, they perform function, it is a function of the body. And structure mean the whole body of the organism, it is made up of a single cell, or it is made from a single cell. There are thousand millions of cells which are by which the body of the organism is made, but the unit is the single cell. So we can say that cell is the structural and function of a unicellular organism. In unicellular organism, the single cell is a whole body of the organism because it performs all the function. But in case of multicellular organisms, there are more level of organization because these cells are arranged in different manners. Because in plants, they are made in different manner to form the roots, stem, and leaves. They are all made up of cells. In case of a multicellular animal, if it is complex, if it is animals or human beings, there are different arrangement of cells in a different organized manner, so they make the different structure. So in the cells in multicellular organism, they are organized in different form. So there are more levels of biological organization in multicellular organism. Level 5 is tissues. You have already studied that atoms combine to form the molecules. Molecules, they make the organelles, and when organelles are grouped, they form the cells. Now tissue, when cells, they combine or they are grouped, they make the tissues. When cells combine, they make tissue or group of similar cells which perform a particular function. They are named as tissues. For example, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem, they are the two tissues, two cells of a plant body. They are present in plant. Xylem and phloem, these are the cells which are present in the plant body. But when they are grouped, they form the tissue, and they are named as conducting tissue. This name is given due to their function, because xylem cell and phloem cells, they perform the function of conduction. Xylem pass the water from the root up to the leaves, and phloem pass the food which is prepared in the leaf up to the different parts of plants. So they are performing a typical function which is the conduction. So they are given the name as conducting tissues. Case of animals, there are also group of cells. For example, when glandular cells, they combine, they form the glandular tissue. Epithelial cell combine to form the epithelial tissues. All these cells combine to form the tissue. The tissue contain the same cells and performing the same function. Now the glandular cell, when they combine, they form the glandular tissue, and its function is produce secretion. Epithelial cell, when combined, they form the epithelial tissue, and their function is protection. So when same cell combines, they form tissue, and they perform a particular function. Our is organ. Now when cell combine, they form the tissue. tissue are the same cell, but in case of organ, when different tissues combine, they form the organ. Different tissue combine, they form an organ, and these organs perform a particular function. For example, case of animals, nervous tissue, connective tissue, and muscular tissue. They make an organ, which is the heart. Heart is an organ, but these are tissue, nervous, connective, and muscular. When these tissue combine, they make an organ, which is the heart. And heart perform a single function, which is to pump the blood. So we can define the organ as different tissues. Nervous is different from connective is different from muscular. When different tissue combines, they make an organ which perform a particular function, which is the, like in heart, it is the to pump the blood. In case of plants, epidermal tissue, mesophyll tissues, conducting tissues, they are present in an organ which is the leaf. Now leaf is an organ of the plant. When they are combined, they make the organ which is the leaf, and leaf has a function which is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a particular function of leaf, because leaf is the factory of photosynthesis, or leaf factory where the food is prepared. Photosynthesis is a new term for you students. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants prepare the food. What is the food? Which is the starch, which is prepared by the leaves. So photosynthesis is a process or a function which is performed by the leaves. Now topic is organ system. It is a level 7 organ system. As its name shows, when organ combine, they make the system. Mean in different organs, they when combined, they are present at a place, they perform a particular function which is the main function of this system. For example, in case of plants, systems are the leaf, organs are the leaf, root, and stem. They when perform a function which is the photosynthesis, and it is a system which is named as the vegetative system. Vegetative system of a plant is made up of the organ, root, stem, and leaves, and function is the photosynthesis, mean to prepare the food for the plant. Same is the case in case of animals. Blood circulatory system. Blood circulatory system are composed of the organ, heart, arteries, and veins, capillaries. All these are the organ, but they individually cannot perform any function, but when they are combined, they make a system which is named as the organ system or the blood circulatory system, and their only function is to pump the blood. Heart pump the blood, blood goes into artery, veins, and capillaries. So the main function of this system is to pump the blood, just like the plant system, which is the vegetative system, which the only function of that system is to prepare the food for the plant. So blood circulatory system perform the function which is the to pump the blood. So we can define that organ system is the collective system, collective organs that perform a particular function. So organ when combines, they make a system, and this system perform a particular function.